Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on October 5th. Fall of Emperor Phocas 610. In the year 610, the Byzantine general Heraclius sailed into Constantinople and overthrew Emperor Phocas. Phocas was widely disliked for his cruelty and poor leadership, so his fall was welcomed by many citizens. After his execution, Heraclius crowned himself emperor and quickly restructured the empire. His reforms in the army and government helped the Byzantines resist invasions and strengthen their rule during difficult times. Portugal becomes a republic 1910. On October 5, 1910, a revolution broke out in Portugal that ended centuries of monarchy. King Manuel II fled into exile, and the country was declared a republic. The new leaders introduced bold changes, including separation of church and state, expanded civil rights, and reforms in education. This historic day transformed Portugal's future, replacing royal rule with modern democratic governance. Monty Python's Flying Circus premieres 1969. On this day in 1969, the legendary comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus debuted on the BBC. Its mix of absurd, surreal, and silly sketches was unlike anything viewers had seen before. Classics like The Dead Parrot and Ministry of Silly Walks quickly became favorites. The show's unique style not only changed British television comedy but also inspired comedians and writers across the globe. Truman's first televised White House address 1947. On October 5, 1947, U.S. President Harry S. Truman made history by delivering the first televised speech from the White House. He addressed the nation about the world food shortage and asked Americans to save grain for war-torn Europe. For the first time, citizens could see and hear their president directly in their homes. This moment marked the rise of television as a powerful political and communication tool. Steve Jobs dies 2011. On October 5, 2011, the world lost Steve Jobs, co-founder and visionary leader of Apple Inc., at the age of 56. Jobs had transformed modern technology with products like the iPhone, iPad, iPod, and Mac computers. His ideas changed how people communicate, work, and enjoy entertainment. News of his death spread quickly, and tributes poured in worldwide, remembering him as one of the greatest innovators of the digital age. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.